Welcome at IT Friday. Today's topic is the Industrial Internet of Things versus Industry 4.0. I'm Tom.
I'm Steven, and we discussed this today because we have a lot of questions came to us on what is the difference between Industry 4.0 and Industrial IoT. Isn't it the same?
Yeah, and some
and
say,
it's not.
Yeah, true, but some say, I would say there are similar movements.
Yes, definitely.
In a sense, but they can be really distinguished between each other.
Yeah.
So the Industry 4.0.
And why not? Why is it not Industry 2.0?
Right, 2.0 is usually the term for new technology. Because it's the fourth industrial revolution, or revolution, you can say, and starting with mechanization, first revolution, going to mass production, going to computerization,
power, steam,
automation. Those are the first, the second, and the third revolution, or industrial revolution.
The third was computer
automation,
IT integration into the factory plant. I think we have to say.
Yeah. So now we are at cyber physical things. We're integrating those systems in our daily lives and also in manufacturing environments, and that's the 4.0, and the term comes from a German work group in 2012.
2012 already. So that's already quite some years ago. And I think then also we can look at the difference is that started of machine-to-machine communication inside the manufacturing environment,
right?
And also autonomous decision making on simple, let's say, rule-based
simple tasks
systems.
Simple tasks are automated. Automation. And are optimized.
And what is then industrial IoT? Sorry.
Industrial IoT is then is a broader term, I would say, because now we're stepping away or outside the factory environment. What is really the factory environment is really about creating a product, a
physical thing,
right? It comes out of the factory and it's shipped to customers.
Which the product itself does not have to be connected.
Definitely. And where you when you talk about industrial Internet of Things, you can talk about the full logistics cycle of producing something, shipping it to a hub where it's distributed to an end customer, and if you make that all connected, so the package where it's stored in, and the moment upon arrival, the car it drives in, the person even that delivers it.
You add another level of connectivity and on automation, because it's not only the process itself that is connected and optimized, but also everything that goes through this process can be automated.
So it's more about processes in general, and it's
logistic, transport, utilities,
oil and gas, aviation. It could be any industry basically where you can look at the full process of something and apply IoT technology in there, because that's an interesting one. We talk a lot about IoT in IT Friday, obviously. How does IoT come into all these terminologies?
I think it's let's say an umbrella name where everything from consumer technology, consumer gadgets almost, home automation, wearables, connected things, which we can call IoT in general, but it's more consumer IoT. Then we have next to that is industrial IoT, which is a, let's say, industrialized version of this for harder environments.
But couldn't you then say that IoT is the term for the technology? So we talk a lot about connect, talk, think, and act. Those four elements make IoT solutions, right?
Definitely.
And obviously it's more associated with the consumer electronics side of things. But in the end, like you said, it's an umbrella term for all the...
I forgot to put my phone on silent.
Yeah, put it off.
It's
an umbrella term for every technology that brings connectivity and the connect, talk, think, and act element into a solution, basically. Right?
Yeah, definitely. Okay. And this also means that when we look at Industry 4.0, maybe it should shift to Industry 5.0, because 4.0 was about automation, machine to machine. But if you look at industrial IoT, it's really about the connectivity also to the cloud and adding machine learning, big data analysis, which is not yet defined in Industry 4.0. Maybe that has shifted a little bit. But really now, when we talk about Industry 4.0, it's also about connecting to the cloud and doing more with that, and getting notifications, adding phones to it. And that is maybe the combination between Industrial IoT, Industry 4.0.
Isn't
that is where they're lying.
Yeah, so isn't that, I would then say that we are using IT in OT environment, using information technology in operational technology environments.
But that is, I think, what IoT is generally about.
Yeah, sure.
Connecting IT and OT.
In the 4.0 era or term, I would say that we are using some form of IT, yes, but only basic. And that we now need to merge IT and OT even further in order to go to this 5.0 manufacturing environment and really make use of the power of the industrial IoT. So they should love each other more, right? Going back to the Valentine's Day yesterday, IT and OT should love each other more to come to a 5.0 and move further in their evolvement, basically.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
So that's the difference between Industrial IoT and Industry 4.0 under the umbrella of IoT in general.
Okay, great. Where IT should love OT more.
Definitely.
Okay. Well, that concludes today. See you again on the next topic, and keep those questions in. Connect with us, and we'll keep you connected on the things we do on IoT Friday.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Goodbye.